Curry? Spaceship. Back when I was a child, before I removed all the innocence, my father was living high and danced with my mom, hit me in the spinning her out till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was lost. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again. When me and my mother would disagree, to it my way I was wrong from her to him. It made me laugh, just comfortably, yeah, yeah. It made me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final place, one final walk, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love to dance with my father again. He got I listen outside her door. I hear her mother would cry for him. I pray for her even more me. I pray for her even more than me. The only man she loved. I know we don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Thank you. Kaya ako padaos-dos ng padaos-dos. Kailangan mag-ibig na ng mga tao sa entablado. Kuya,